And I'll just start somewhere. Here's a good zoom. Kawasaki K, I can't even say this right. It's a Kawasaki KLR 650, okay? Having too much fun. It's got that many miles on it, 2301, 22 on the tripometer. I bought this thing May of 2016, never rode it. Today's date is 20, what did it say there? 26 August, Tuesday, 2020, okay? Last night we did the do, that's what I wanted to show. So let me get my camera. I didn't take as many, I was going to shoot a video doing the do, but let's see here, just set this thing down. Alright, so here, and then I wowed out, so here, if I hit that, so here I went and bought the wrong oil filter in the preparation. That's the one we took out. And I'll get back to that in a moment. And then here's just doing that and this, and there's the old and the new, okay? And here we had it apart and just taking a few pictures like that, and I don't even, oh, that was just taking a picture. Okay, that's it. So much for the pictures from the camera. Alright, so now let me move the camera around, and alright, so here's the bike. Right, I have the thing on a tripod. There is the do has been done. I have it back together, and then over here in this box is a pair of, or both sides of the Nomad crash bars. Are going to install later today. And then I tried painting the SW Tech, Motec, whatever center stand thing, that happy color of green, because I thought I was going to paint the anyway to match the color of the green of the bike, but I'm not going to paint the crash bars over there, so the heck with that. Alright, so the do has been done. That's all back together. And I had gone out and bought the wrong oil filter, so I went out and got the correct oil filter. Okay, and let me set the tripod down here. And so I went and got, actually let me just drop this down. Right. Go sit on the thing, okay? Alright, so sit that like that. Okay, and so now I got the right oil filter. See, I want to show you this. Someone asked me, is this preventative? Well, it's just, I've never done this, never done anything to the bike. So here I am. So here's the proper oil filter, which I bought. Okay, bought that from Sago here. I don't know if I paid it too much or not. It doesn't matter to me at the moment. And then here is the oil filter we took out, and see here, had some good sunlight, but I don't know if you can see that there are definitely some metal flecks in the filter. Okay, and this thing only has 23 miles on it. All right, so I don't know if I went around enough. Maybe if I flip it around, you can see the oil flecks that I can see in here. So I don't know how often or how soon you should change the oil, but I'm changing it because I saw these. Anyway, just now we got the sun out. Here, I can bring this thing out in the sun and maybe see it better. So there we go. Here, wait, I can't see this in the thing. Yeah, there. So there. Here's so like that. Just so there's some oil pieces, or some pieces of metal. Let me flip it around so you can see the other side. Just oops, wait, okay, so yeah, so it's got, well, here are the pieces that I'm seeing right there, but it's definitely got some oil, it's got some metal flecks in the darn thing. So, and I didn't take this thing apart, my brother did, because he's here. He's got the tools to do the doohickey, which we did last night, and it's a long story, but I lost my 5 toes to diabetes on my left foot, so my left foot is only 7 inches long, okay, and does that show up on the thing? And then here's my other full-size 15-foot. And so my brother built me a, let me take it over here and well, we don't have it put back on the bike yet, that's right. Okay, so, because we got to install the center stand and all that, so, wait. So my brother made me this. Oh gosh, just, alright, so, let's see, where is it? Where's the, can you wide out, just wide out those aren't, okay. Where, there it is, okay, so he made me this, alright, so I can actually put my foot, there we go. I can put my foot on here and operate the shifter properly by putting my heel here and my stump of my foot on that thing, and you understand that, right? So there's that. Okay, we have the original plastic thing, and like I said, I tried painting the center stand, but I'm not going to do that for the crash bars, so that's all I know. And of course I now have I only put this yellow thing on here so I could find it in my pocket, but so there's the motorcycle key, the doohickey, like that, this, that, and the camera, the phone. Okay, so too much fun. That's just my little update of this. I'll make another video later on, but I just wanted to show you that. Okay, so that's all I know. Good day, bye-bye, hope you enjoyed. Here, I'll see here. And I don't normally work in the garage, so I'm not, we had tools and all that, but that's that. I'm not going to get on a bike and just walk over to it. Just big, tall me. I know you can't see the rest of me, but okay, so that's it. Good day, bye-bye. I'm just, it's hotter than heck out here, even in the garage. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Bye-bye.